Check in, guys. It was a long time with a touch for the farm. Come look where I go on, you know. Touching a St. Bess and then at the place and come. Come look where I go on, man. Brother Des there, you know. Brother Des there. Yeah, man. Farm life, nice life, but you can't lazy. Can't lazy. When you're dealing farm, you hear that? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, yeah, brother, there's a big one, not there. You don't know the thing already.
Can't lazy.
No. So I'm coming on the farm and see all sweet pepper and tomato all ripe up. Cantaloupe, what? Now go to me empty hand, you know. Alright, so stick and stay around. I'm going to show you how I go on. Let me tell you this, guys, actually. Tomato like, whoa! Oh, wow.
Cut this here for you.
Yeah, man, right now we are eat it. Watch out, sweet pepper. How are you here? Cantaloupe or antelope? Cantaloupe? Yeah, that guys. Come on, was a cantaloupe. We just want to mix up the name, you know, because antelope is an animal, you know. Sweet pepper, like, whoa. Still have some whole heap of melon in our place, you know. Whole heap of tomato. Whole heap of tomato. Yeah. Tomato, like, whoa, guys. Eh? Yeah, man, can I eat all the tomato I'm going to eat now, guys? I can't see that. Tomato. Yeah, man. So we eat the cantaloupe first.
One thing when you farmer in a bush, man, you have many something to eat.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. And start eating for you.
See that?
Cantaloupe, man.
Fresh from the farm.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, man, fresh from the farm, man. Guys, you know, say anytime I fall, I have to come from the farm.
Yeah.
No care what. Yeah. Yeah, man, cantaloupe. Fresh from the farm. Them thing about my love touch on the farm, you know. Yeah, guys. Too much sunlight, you know. Cantaloupe. So you can look at a melon, one nice. One nice melon. Stay tuned. Wow, weed down, you know. Oh, some nice kind of grow. Yeah. See you can them there. Them they alone, you know. Everything there on the farm, you know. Bean. Yeah, man. Bean them enough. Yeah, man, see that? Bean soup. What you say? Make it strong.
Yeah, man. Bean soup, man, make it strong, man.
Yeah, man.
That, you know. That's why old time people eat so long, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. I didn't sitting there eating, you know. I tell you some man, green bean. Alright, you use the bean, you know, and you take it cook cow foot. And cow head.
Yeah,
cow
man.
tripe,
Yeah,
and all them things, man. Yo, they make it strong, man.
The food nowadays, I go through too much process here, man.
Good bean soup with some canned pork. Who eat pork?
And sweet pepper the biggie, man.
How far more for that, you know? How far more for that, man?
Roaster.
Alright, you know, say other day, packet, one brother come down and say, he want 140 pound of tomato. The first pepper we put up on tree.
Yeah.
That's what I watch it, you know. You see it right there? And the man in there help me get through the pepper, me want him go picking him and help me pick the tomato. But the man come like the man don't know, say, me can't have me girl now, me girl sit here, you know, sit here. Bigger than the pepper there, bigger than them they want them, man. And me say, yo, me I want the pepper there, can go on me yard.
Yeah.
That's the first pepper, see there? And by the man time, the man go and sit there, stamp when me come back, my man, I say, what your man pick it pepper? Never ask me. You see, so you can't trust them, the man in your life. So that means I would have pick one and young pepper.
Yeah.
And squeeze out.
So that, guys. Until you make your sale for your farm, make sure you're there here, you know.
Yeah, man.
Because man just want then come for buy, you know. A tomato me I eat. They find the farming nice now, guys. I eat that down.
Yeah, man. Win.
Just see it, make cantaloupe and I eat a tomato. Watch out now. Melon.
Left it cantaloupe.
Hmm?
I left it.
This is how we do it. I'm on the farm, nice and pretty. Some lovely tomato and some lovely sweet pepper. Some lovely melon. I see the bean them. And cauliflower. Corn. A partner a good guy. Want sunlight, yeah? This is alive. See the guys are still up on the farm, you know. I show them so we're still up on the farm. So I go and brother Des go and clean up the farm, you know. They are all a reason. They are going to kick it back, but guys, look on that. But hey, that sweet pepper you are big, you know, guys. But watch how you look on the video, you know. I tell you say it big. Yeah man, some lovely sweet pepper. Keep up to that tomato we eat with the food. Whole heap of tomato and some reap out already. I lost of the melon them, you know. Yeah man, sell out them one, sell out already. I want to leave just like a burn out and you know. So next time you see this clean out. How you put on it next time? Because the line is so clean out now, guys. You have to put back some more melon?
No man, I put some cucumber too, you know.
Cucumber?
Yeah. You want now melon. Melon carry melon disease.
Oh.
So I have to go put some else anyway.
Oh.
With the melon, I go put cucumber now. Melon disease, they do cucumber now.
Oh. Knowledge. You hear that, guys?
Alright, so I go just go through him now with some cucumber like what you see. the melon are fade down.
Mm-hmm.
We plant cucumber tree now, so we come on and realize that cucumber there in the fry tomato now go so dead easy, you know, pepper now dead so easy.
Yeah.
Because tomato we come up back and beer, you know.
Yeah.
So,
Because the one that will drop off and
no, they shed tree them. Look how you go see them just green up like it's a head of green up. And just put out back green and find their root, then go back and send up back so and suck up on them root.
yeah.
Yeah, and come up back. When you go back out there, so I go show you. See how this look. And the melon, enough of melon I go spring back. Look right on the melon against a cassava tree.
Yeah. Yeah, man, see that spring back there for real.
Alright, sir. So look how you know that I'm
Yeah, man, see that spring back right there, sir. Right here, sir.
Yeah, but I go run out back and be a melon back. See how you see? I go through the one to some more fertilizer. More straight back to tomato.
Yeah, I straighten up back the tomato them.
So when you plant the cucumber, they must get him out. So you go and the crop down back to him. So it's not them alone I go get it. You go find him cucumber, get some more. You got a new crop coming out the same way. Yeah.
Weed out now, guys. Alright, see us are clean. So I take out all of them tall bush there.
Because we did have the hope of heavy rain.
Through the rain. Yeah, man, weed out the ground. As I watch pan Junior Adventure. Yeah, for weed out the ground. Clean up at the ground. See there?
Seed, you know, I show them back.
Yeah, one of them have on the seed.
Like them up a white seed, you know. We take them and go just them outside because the seed them, you know, drop off and them and go hatch back up.
Oh. You hear that, guys?
Them are seedlings,
so I said the way weed out the bush them out of the ground. Farming take a lot, you know. Yeah, man, farming take a lot, man, but you have a dedication. Yeah, man. You come like when you get an education, you have to dedicate yourself to your farming. And if you don't dedicate yourself, your farming now come out to success.
Yes, brother. Yeah, man. Right now, my man can't see me there, so right now, bend down. And right now, Tuesday I come on my birthday.
Yeah,
Tuesday I come on my birthday.
Yeah.
And Tuesday I come here 65. Me are 6 and 5. Yeah, man.
Yeah, that guys.
And right now, me feel in my body like, you know, me young same way. How me feel? Doing the amount of work. A young boy, a young youth come here, you know, for me.
That is it. Pay. Man say feel young same way.
I'm about the same way, man. Because I'm plan of you see, alright. Me farming now, I just farm just like money alone, you know. Yeah, the farm that we have things, fresh things to eat.
Yeah, you have to do that, man.
We all time we things when we were four parents used to feed with pan. You understand?
Yeah.
Me go come planning something there. I think eat same way, brother. Can't look here. Enough of way people like no rubbish. Even brother, you got at the market them sometime and go buy something and eat, you know. Yeah, it can actually not eat comfortable, you know. Because you don't know where you eat, brother.
True.
You understand? You don't know where you eat, but when the things that come from your farm fresh, and you know how you deal with it, so you know you deal with it, so you eat it comfortable.
Yeah. I true that, man.
What you mean, man? You eat it comfortable, man.
True that still.
Yeah, man. So
that's enough time we're there in the city.
Yeah.
And you go to market.
Right,
I see some riff-raff thing. Me don't want it, and the seller them want to force it on the buyer them, you know.
But alright, for instance, sometimes you are from Kingston. Some people from Kingston come and they may have some family and them family member and them say, alright, look here. We go down Uncle Des and Uncle Bob. Farm and go beg him go look at vegetable and something. And when you come and when you say, alright, go and help yourself, man. Them turn fool.
That's true,
look here.
Yo, right now, guys. And I like what I tell you.
And we call that also.
Cantaloupe, melon, sweet pepper, tomato, okra, green bean,
yeah,
plantain.
Yeah.
Everything about saying again, cauliflower.
Yeah.
Boy. And yam over. Hey, corn and yam.
Banana.
What?
Everything there.
Everything.
Down to Swiss stuff.
Yo.
They are Swiss stuff.
Yeah, man.
They come out Swiss stuff in the Chile.
Yeah, man.
Chile lovely.
I will have a sweet stuff up in the Chile. You get a look of rain. Yeah. Sweet stuff up on the tree, man. They will soon ripe up, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah. True, man. Yeah, because I want to use the bathroom. Yeah, that guy. I want to ride the bike. Guys, I'm not tell you, it was a joy and a pleasure. To touch out on the farm. I love it. Yeah, I love it, man. Ground fruitful. Tomorrow I go up, I just keep up my bag and can I give my brethren all too. I give one of my brethren something, you know. Alright, I'm show you what one. One man work the ground and look on the amount of work we have to put in. Alright, me talk about a man in a ramp. Just look what I go on, watch this. Guys, that's if I'm over there, so he might weed out all of the ground, you know. He might weed out all of the ground. So he's watching reach right here, saying reach. So I'm weed out from over here, so. Yeah, man. Denise, bless up yourself. Thing there. A ranking brother, you know. Yeah, man, Uncle Bob. A ranking brother, that. Yeah. So, enough of the guys who know, say. Yeah, man. Then they're on Jamaica Life Nice.
Yeah. I'm tell them, say, no, I'm shut up here first, you know.
Yeah.
I'm used to the comedy for the Uncle Bob, you know.
Oh.
Jamaica Life Nice. I'm bringing off 5 years, you know.
Yeah, man. You don't know. Nick, bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Big up, Nick. Every time. Staying at the place. I know say another on the ground, I know still, but we're there at the place, yeah. Yeah. Alright, guys. I'm my wife, uncle, you know. And Rankin. Rankin. And brother Des. My wife, uncle him. Yeah. You see how it is? Yeah, man. So. That is it, man. I think Nick and my wife are cousin. Yeah. Same thing there. For your grandfather and for him.
Yeah.
Two brother them. You see it? A peer family down here. Tamara relative them, man. Father Lem, big up yourself, you know. Same time you talk about, man. You don't know the thing going on. But G that too. So guys, stick and stay around because I ease up off of the farm because I want to use the bathroom, I want to use the restroom. So I want to go use the restroom, wash off, kick back for the evening, chill out me and wifey. And RJ, we're going to run alive in the evening still. I'm sure. Yeah, guys. I continue from yesterday and I reach back on the farm. So I look some things we can work in the city. But RJ there with me too, you know, Uncle Bobby. Watch RJ reach by the farm, watch him.
Big up on yourself, you know.
Yeah,
big
man.
up. Yes, people, big up on yourself.
Good morning.
Yeah.
How so much bag me carry? You know, say a double bag. Yeah, man. It's a bright and beautiful morning. Place color green and pretty. Guys, yesterday I have a video, I never know say so much bean in there. I never know bean there all on the outskirt. Go right up. Whole heap of bean tree. You want to bean them, you know, beans. And some of them ready, you know. Whole heap of bean, man. I go sell them bean, yeah. I go sell them, yeah. Oh. Oh. Uncle Bob said him now sell them. Him plant them for him family member them went and them forward from overseas. So you can get them. I'm on RJ, tell him man, you know man. To wash your face for a morning, boy, you follow me come from farm. Watch it.
You need that.
Wash my face and brush my teeth.
Nah.
Yeah, I get up early and do that. Yep. When I brush my teeth and wash my face, yeah, I sleep. Alright, what will you want? Look on the nose. What? That have to deal with some things there. For the insect them. And these are beans. Yeah? You know some beans? Eh? Them small? They're not small, them big. Find out fit one and open it and show you. So guys, me I teach him about the beans. Show him so them broad. Yeah? See that?
They're small.
No, them broader. Peas smaller. The red peas that we use to make rice and peas.
I don't see one. Look one day.
One small one. Yeah, guys, so stay tuned, you know. I continue from yesterday and bring RJ up on the farm, so I'm going forward. Show him what is what and teach him at the same time, you know. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Alright, what you saying now?
Tomato.
You know the tomato? I'm going to just show you the bean them. Yeah. Alright. So where's the tomato? Go on touch it. Go on touch the tomato. Don't step on the tree them here. Watch how you walk. Yeah. Yeah, man. Those are tomato. Yeah. You see, so what is that? What is that green something right here? This.
Yes.
This. What is this?
Pepper.
What kind of pepper?
Sweet pepper.
Alright, you know. And what are those?
Yes.
No. What are those? See there? What is that?
Watermelon.
Eh?
That.
Uh-huh.
The green.
What is that?
Watermelon.
Alright. You see guys, you know, you know. You know enough of the stuff them. And what is this? Come here. What is this?
Corn.
What you say?
Corn.
I'm glad you know. And what is this?
Banana.
Oh, look good. What is that? Eh? Look there. What is that up there?
Banana.
That's planting.
A banana.
No, you can't steal any banana. A planting. Leave them though, leave them. Leave them, RJ. Don't pick them off. But tell you leave, you feel here, you know. Boy, you can't get trouble. So as I say, Uncle Bob, I get with some tomato, look at sweet pepper,
Daddy, can you grow them?
look at watermelon, look things where I can give you, you know. The man are ever kind to me, so you have to kind to him.
Daddy,
Yes, sir.
this can,
Hmm?
I can plant it.
Yeah, you can plant, but if you put for dry, then you plant it.
Nice one.
Very nice one.
Which one?
Eh? Them still can't use, brother. Hmm. Watch him. Yeah, man. Out on the farm. Show what RJ. Love it. Now I have to go over there, sir, road boy. Come. Don't go over there, sir. I get 2 cans for boil some soup. I have a goated and some goat foot up there, sir. Dropping at the goated soup, you know. Not true, RJ? Yeah. All weekend I come and just boil up some soup. Yeah. Young, fresh and sweet. Look at that. Alright. Uncle Baba set we up, you know, guys. Yeah, man, Uncle Baba set we up. Sergeant, what you say, man? Eh? Where you want to catch? Where you want to catch one dragonfly? Which way you say dragonfly? Oh, see that fly going for real? No, I can't see him, no, guys, because I'm small. See him there? See him there? See him there for real? See him there? No, therefore I can't see him still.
Dive fast.
Yeah, I move fast. I have a pitch. And in pitch pan piece, I live now, we can see him.
Daddy,
Yeah, guys.
Daddy,
I'll get some breakfast for RJ and
Daddy.
go and relax, look.